AI isn't just a buzzword, but a game changer in the business landscape. I believe that's already happening, isn't it?
And we're seeing it in almost
Exactly.
every sector, every industry, in this fast-paced digital era.
In a world where technology is transforming the way we live and work, there's one groundbreaking innovation that's taken center stage in the world of marketing: AI copywriting. Imagine being able to create compelling content that captures your audience's attention, resonates with their emotions, and drives them to take action, all with the help of artificial intelligence. But what's the secret recipe behind this incredible phenomenon? Let's dive into the world of AI copywriting and uncover the key ingredients to make it tick. Ever wondered how AI can craft persuasive content that feels as if it's penned by a human? The magic lies in two main aspects: natural language processing (NLP) and machine learning (ML). NLP enables AI to analyze the structure and meaning of language, allowing it to create text that's indistinguishable from human writing. On the other hand, ML empowers AI to learn from vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and refining its content generation skills over time. Among the AI copywriting tools, many AI tools shine as a hub of artistic innovation. Designed for teams to scale their content production, tools like ChatGPT or Copysmith revolutionizes the writing process. For example, with Copysmith's AI blog Kickstarter template, you provide the topic, and the AI generates multiple outlines for your article. Select one and voila, you have a finished copy that's ready to engage your audience. As impressive as AI's capabilities are, there's one aspect that it can't replicate: the human touch. Copywriting isn't just about stringing words together, it's about understanding emotions, pain points, and the art of persuasion. While AI can assist in generating content, only human copywriters can truly emphasize with the audience, infuse emotion into the copy, and craft messages that resonate deeply. The burning question: will AI replace human copywriters? The answer is a resounding no. AI isn't here to take over, it's here to enhance and empower. By automating repetitive tasks, AI allows copywriters to focus on the creative aspects of their work. It's a partnership where AI amplifies the productivity, leaving space for human ingenuity. In the digital realm, where attention spans are fleeting and choices are abundant, the art of crafting persuasive copy has become paramount. Enter AI copywriting, a game-changing technology that's not only reshaping content creation, but also tapping into the psychology of human decision-making. The human mind is wired to respond to certain triggers, and savvy copywriters have long used this knowledge to their advantage. AI copywriting tools take this a step further by applying psychological principles like reciprocity, scarcity, and social proof to enhance their generated content. These principles tap into the subconscious desires and motivations of your audience, compelling them to take action. Reciprocity is a fundamental social norm. When someone does something for us, we feel obliged to do something in return. AI copywriting leverages this principle by creating content that offers value up front. Whether it's providing insightful tips, useful information, or a free resource, the content establishes a sense of indebtedness, encouraging readers to reciprocate by engaging further with the brand. The fear of missing out is a potent motivator. AI-generated copy often employs scarcity, the idea that a product or opportunity is limited to nudge readers towards action. Whether it's highlighting a limited time offer or showcasing the exclusivity of a product, this principle triggers urgency and pushes readers to make a decision before the opportunity slips away. The key aspect of persuasive copywriting is transforming features into benefits, highlighting how a product or service improves the lives of customers. This is where AI copywriting tools excel, by analyzing data from successful copy and understanding the language of benefits. AI-generated content effortlessly bridges the gap between technical specifications and emotional resonance. While AI wields psychological principles effectively, it's essential to remember that these tools aren't infallible. The nuances of human behavior and emotions remain within the realm of human understanding. AI can create content that resonates broadly, but it takes the touch of a human copywriter to craft messages that deeply connect with diverse individuals. While AI's capabilities in generating content are undeniably impressive, the human touch remains irreplaceable. Copywriting is an art that hinges on understanding and evoking emotions. AI excels at pattern recognition and repetitive tasks, but it falls short in grasping the intricacies of human emotions and the art of storytelling. Copywriters bring a unique flair to their work, crafting narratives that resonate with audiences on a personal level. They have an innate ability to capture the essence of a brand, understand its audience's pain points, and infuse creativity into their words. As AI and copywriters collaborate, businesses can leverage the efficiency of AI while benefiting from the creativity and emotional depth that only humans can provide. Now, we'll navigate the dynamic landscape of e-commerce and beyond, discovering how AI is revolutionizing the way businesses communicate. connect, and thrive in the digital age. E-commerce is an arena where every word matters. From product descriptions to call to action buttons, each element contributes to the customer's decision-making journey. AI copywriting tools step into this realm with finesse, transforming the way brands communicate their value proposition. One of the challenges in e-commerce is striking the right balance between specificity and engagement. AI-generated product descriptions excel in this area, providing detailed insights into a product's features while infusing an engaging narrative. By analyzing user data and understanding consumer preferences, AI crafts descriptions that resonate with potential buyers, addressing pain points and aspirations. In an era dominated by mobile devices, catering to the preferences of mobile users is imperative. AI copywriting adapts to the limitations of smaller screens by creating concise and scannable content. Short sentences, bullet points, and compelling visuals combine to create a seamless browsing experience, ensuring that the message doesn't get lost in the digital noise. AI's influence on e-commerce extends beyond product descriptions. It assists in crafting content that guides customers through the entire journey, from the awareness stage to the final version. Whether it's generating informative blog posts, enticing social media captions, or persuasive email marketing campaigns, AI streamlines the process, allowing businesses to engage customers effectively at every touchpoint. In the e-commerce world, where personalization is key, AI complements the human touch. While AI is proficient in data analysis and pattern recognition, it's human insights that truly comprehends the emotional nuances of customer behavior. The amalgamation of AI-generated content and human creativity results in a powerful synergy that speaks directly to the heart of the consumer. As AI copywriting tools continue to evolve, the journey of exploration and learning remains ongoing. Businesses must stay updated with the latest advancements and continually fine-tune their approach. The AI landscape is ever-changing, with new tools, techniques, and strategies emerging regularly. By embracing this evolution, businesses can stay ahead of the curve and maximize the potential of AI-generated copy. The secret recipe to AI copywriting success lies in understanding the interplay between data-driven intelligence and human ingenuity. From unraveling the psychology of persuasion to mastering the art of crafting e-commerce content, AI has emerged as a powerful ally in the world of copywriting. The future is bright and transformative as AI continues to refine its capabilities and reshape industries. As businesses embrace the AI-powered future, they'll find themselves equipped with the tools to navigate the dynamic digital landscape, connect authentically with their audiences, and write the next chapter of success in the ever-evolving world of copywriting. The secret AI copywriting recipe that was once missed is now a guiding light for businesses towards a new era of content creation. The future promises a synergistic bond where AI enhances content creation while humans infuse it with authenticity. As we conclude our insights into the symbiosis of AI and copywriting, remember to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on transformative trends. Don't forget to hit that bell icon for notifications too. The future of captivating content is just a click away. Join us in shaping this exciting narrative.